Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications on my new videos. The statue of Lord Bahubali is a kilometer away from the Manjunatha temple and is led by a beautiful pathway. This majestic shrine of Lord Bahubali stands at a height of 39 feet. It was sculpted in 1973 by the famed sculptor Renjala Gopalakrishna Shenoy with support from Sri Ratnavarma Hegade. The statue was then positioned on top of the Ratnagiri hill in February 1982 by Dr. Virendra Hegade after the passing of Sri Ratnavarma Hegade. There are 778 steps that need to be climbed to reach the shrine of Bahubali. The best time for the tourists to visit this statue is in the morning to get away from the humidity and sunny weather. On top of the hill there are shelters and drinking water facilities for the pilgrims. The story behind why Lord Bahubali is worshipped is very interesting. A long time ago in the city of Ayodhya there lived a noble king named Rishabhnath. One day for some reason he decided to renounce the world and go into the forest for tapasya. Before leaving, he divided his kingdom between his sons. Bharat became the king of Ayodhya and Bahubali was crowned the prince of Paudanapur. Once King Bharat possessed a divine weapon named Chakra. With the help of this weapon, he conquered all the 6 continents. After his victories, when he was returning to his city, the weapon would not enter the capital city. Upon enquiry, King Bharat found out that his conquest was incomplete until he had defeated his brothers. Immediately, he sent his messengers asking his brothers to surrender. All his brothers gave their kingdoms to Bharat except for one. Self-respecting Bahubali would not surrender and challenged his elder brother to a battle. A fierce war was about to take place. So the ministers of the two brothers came up with a solution to avoid a war that would cause loss of life and property. They arranged a series of single combats between the two brothers. The valiant Bahubali defeated his brother in all the combats. Mad with fury, Bharat used his divine weapon Chakra against Bahubali. But the weapon would not hurt Bahubali. It merely revolved around Bahubali 3 times and stood still beside him. At this moment, Bahubali was so ashamed of his brother's lust for power that he decided to renounce the world. He returned the kingdom to his elder brother and went to perform tapasya in the forest just like his father did before him. Bahubali meditated for a year. Wild creepers started winding around his body. Even ants started building their homes around him. But nothing could distract him from his meditation. Without eating or drinking, Bahubali continued with his meditation. 1 year had passed. Still, he failed to get the supreme knowledge. This was because he had this ill feeling in his mind that the land where he was meditating belonged to his brother and not to him. When Bharat came to know of this matter, he immediately went to see his brother and fell at his feet. Seeing this act, Bahubali's ill feeling regarding his brother was destroyed. Finally, Bahubali attained the supreme knowledge and achieved salvation. His renunciation at this victorious moment is unique, and that is why Bahubali is worshipped. The Digambara form of Bahubali represents complete victory over earthly desires and needs. That is all for this video. Do let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Support my YouTube channel by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, take care.